Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how can I create shortcut desktop. To start, enter the name of the app in the search box. Right-click on it and choose Open File Location. When you do, you will right-click on the shortcut and click on the copy icon. After this, on the desktop, right-click and select the Paste Shortcut option. You will see your shortcut available there. As an extra method, you can open File Explorer and access the path of the executable. You will right-click on the executable to select the Copy as Path option. When doing so, right-click on the desktop and from New choose the Shortcut option. Paste the path of the executable there. Click Next to assign the name. When you click Finish, you will see the shortcut on the desktop. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.